Hello, ladies. Welcome to our whimsical world where UTIs are the invaders, and knowledge, along with a sprinkle of Viva Mag online wisdom, is our secret weapon. Let's embark on a lively journey to fortify our personal city against these tiny trespassers. First stop, the hydration oasis. Imagine your body as a vibrant city that thrives on clean, flowing water. Staying hydrated is like having a moat around our city, keeping those pesky invaders at bay. Let's keep our rivers flowing and our city flourishing. Introducing our valiant Pee Patrol. Regular bathroom breaks are your secret weapon, acting like a cleanup crew to ensure no invaders linger. Remember, ladies, after intimate moments, it's time for Pee Patrol to sweep those bacteria away. Behold, our vitamin C shield maidens. These citrus warriors help fortify our city's defenses, making it a fortress against bacterial invaders. Incorporating these zesty friends into your diet bolsters our city's walls with a protective glow. Welcome to the realm of our probiotic party queens. A balanced kingdom ensures our gut and urinary health reigns supreme. Including probiotic-rich foods in our feast keeps our city's harmony and wards off unwanted guests. Let's keep the balance in our favor. Next, we embark on the D-Mannose mystique. These special agents trap and remove bacteria with grace, keeping our city serene. This sugar's magic is all about stealth and elegance, ensuring peace throughout our land. Meet our garlic guardian angels, wielding their antimicrobial powers to protect us. Integrating garlic into our culinary creations blesses our city with a protective aura, warding off those micro-invaders with flair. To our hygiene harmony heroines, simple acts of cleanliness are our shield. Keeping our city's gates clean ensures peace and purity, making our community a bastion of health and happiness. Our irritant insight. Investigators keep our city a sanctuary from irritants. Choosing gentle, unscented products helps maintain our urban serenity, keeping our streets safe and our homes harmonious. Finally, we enter the realm of our herbal healer highnesses. These botanical protectors, like Uva Ursi and Golden Seal, offer their ancient wisdom to guard our city, showcasing nature's power in our defense strategy. Ladies, we've journeyed through our city armed with knowledge and a touch of My Viva Store's wisdom, showing that together we can keep our urinary tract city thriving. While our journey today was filled with whimsy, remember that these strategies are our true shield in the battle against UTIs. And when you seek that extra fortress of support, My Viva Store is there to empower your health journey. Until our next adventure, stay hydrated, stay balanced, and keep shining bright.